Hey guys, here again, making another video. Today we're making barbecue chicken in the oven. We got leg and thighs, or drum and thighs. The bottom part of the chicken we already have seasoned. We used mustard, black pepper, thyme, salt, paprika, and garlic. I don't know if a lot of people know about this or not, but I season most of my meats with mustard. It's really good. My wife didn't know about it until I showed her how to do this.
Yeah, and I've seen your mom use mustard and ketchup, and I thought it was pretty weird. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I feel like this changes a lot. This is a secret recipe. Y'all welcome. Well, if you already use it, then I guess you're welcome too. But all right, so I'll start off. I'm gonna put salt on the top, of course. Just I guess put as much salt as you want, or not too much, because high blood pressure. Don't want to get high blood pressure. Then we're gonna use the thyme.
No.
Know what?
Oh yeah.
I don't know what she was knowing about.
Because I thought you were opening the whole can and you were just gonna dump it on, and I was like, oh, that's gonna be too much.
All right. Then we need a little bit more salt. We'll see. All right. Then just some black pepper. Oh, have you seen our new addition, babe? On my
Your apron?
on the apron.
Just show us.
Put a little Spider-Man patch.
Hey.
All right. So then I'll add some paprika on one side, just for some coloring. We already got some like sweet potatoes, right? In the oven. How many?
3.
3. We're just gonna bake them. So.
And we're gonna do a side of broccoli as well.
Yeah, and then here's some garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Just, like I said, with seasoning, I just season so I feel like it's good. I don't really have a measurement on those. Take it very liberally. Just do what you want. And then some mustard. It's just I feel like it gives it extra flavor. Like I don't
That's
know.
a lot of mustard. I did not put as much on the bottom.
Alright, so lift it up. And make sure it's all covered up. Alright. So this is what it looks like with all the seasoning and the mustard. And then how long are we putting in the oven, babe?
Till it's cooked, probably about 45 minutes. Whenever I remember that's in the oven, I'll come get it.
Usually, what I do, I think a good stopping point is when you see very little or no yellowing of the mustard on the chicken, especially when you put it on the grill. That's a pretty good sign that's cooked through. So I'm gonna put this here. You hold this for now.
Put it in the sink. We don't need it
We
anymore.
don't need it anymore. So put it in
Well,
the
we
sink.
will need it later when we use
We'll wash it.
for the barbecue sauce.
All right. So now it's just gonna go into the oven for how long?
Like I said, 45 minutes probably.
All right, so that's 3 legs
Maybe
and
an
drums
hour.
in there, and
Mhm.
it's gonna go into the oven now. All right, 3 sweet potatoes baking in there. How hot do you have it on?
375.
All right, so it's 375. So until we think it's cooked, and then after that's done, we're gonna glaze it with some barbecue sauce. Use whatever barbecue sauce you want. This is just the one we're using. Doesn't matter. Whatever you like. Personally, I like the
You know
Jack
which
Daniels
one? The
barbecue
Jack
sauce.
Daniels.
Yeah,
That's exactly what I was
that's
gonna
pretty
say,
good,
but
but-
I couldn't find it.
So, like I said, we're on a budget, and this is what we're working with right now. But we'll come back once we think it's nice and cooked, and then we'll add the barbecue sauce. So, give us a few minutes, and we'll be back. All right. So the chicken's done baking. You want to come closer and look. So there's like really no more mustard showing. It's pretty baked, pretty good. How long do you think we left it in the oven?
For about 50 minutes.
50?
Mm-hmm.
That sounds about right. So now we're just gonna put the barbecue sauce on it and just spread it around. It still has juices on the bottom, so that's gonna cook. It's gonna cook more while it's baking in the oven. Excuse my dogs, people.
They're hungry.
Well, they already ate.
I know, they're just wanting human food. They know it's best.
Alright, so just spread as much as you want. And then it's barbecuing, by the way, so. Barbecue is like my favorite food. I just try not to eat too much of it, especially pork. because I don't really think pork's that good for you. You know? Like, I love some ribs. I don't know what I was trying to say. Alright, so add more barbecue sauce on the bottom side. And then you can always add barbecue sauce once it's done cooking and stuff. It's just to like caramelize it. I was in the middle of playing video games with my best friend right now while I was cooking. And he has to finish the mission by himself right now. Sorry, Fernando, but he's a good guy. He's my best friend. I'm gonna give it one more touch on this one. This one looks like it needs some more. We've made our own barbecue sauce before. I guess we can do that on another video, right, babe?
Yeah.
Our own barbecue sauce. This is just
It's not that difficult. We used I know we used brown sugar and vinegar and onions, and I don't remember what else. So I'll have to look up the recipe again.
So it's going back in the oven for how much longer?
Maybe another 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes. So it's 11 o'clock right now. The potatoes are still in the. I think the potatoes are time to take them out. See, it's dripping.
Yeah, they're dripping. Which is not ideal. I'll have to clean that up.
So, my dumb self put the tongs in the sink. I guess I'll get it out now. Let's put it up here.
Yep.
Let that cool down. You know we're gonna make it into a mash and just leave it like that?
Well, I don't know. Probably leave them like that at this point. I mean, we're not gonna eat this tonight anyway.
No, it's definitely too late.
Too late for that.
Alright, so.
We had a late lunch and then we got really full, so that's the only meal we had today.
Yeah, so that's it for right now. Probably come back in another 20-30 minutes. Finish it up and probably just put it in the fridge. Probably not gonna taste it, but I guarantee it tastes pretty good. We've done it before, so. So give us another 20 minutes and we'll be back. Thank you. Alright, so we're done baking it.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot, so I'm not gonna touch it. So I think the whole cooking process was about an hour and a half, prep and everything.
Yes.
So all the barbecue sauce is caramelized. All we're gonna do now, we're gonna pack it. Well, we're gonna let it cool down and we're gonna pack it and we're just gonna eat this, I guess, for lunch tomorrow at work. You can see the barbecue looks nice on there. Put some little extra barbecue sauce on my lunch tomorrow. And see how that goes. But I already know this tastes good. The potatoes are good. Probably pack that for lunch too. Just let everything cool down. But other than that, I think we're done for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what y'all want us to make. Appreciate y'all watching these videos. And have a good night. Well, it's night for us. Thanks for watching. Bye.